Yo, what's up, guys? It's just Take Care once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp channel. You can see it here now. You can see this is WhatsApp channel. This is just a new update on WhatsApp right now, whereby you can create channel all by yourself, and people will start following your channel. You can drop updates. Let's check this. I just follow Untouchable now. And you can see this is post on WhatsApp now, just within how many minutes ago. See how many followers he has here. You get me? So I'll be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. You can see Broshage, you can see Broshage post. You can see Mark. You can see. So I will be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp channel all by yourself. So here you can find any channel you want. Like let me say any public figure you are following. You can see Mark AJ here. You can see Angel of Laughter. Can see you can search for any channel here also. Though I don't think all the channel you want to search for is not quite here now. But if you check for any channel, you might not see some and you might see some. So I see channel available now. So even all these content creators, they are that are verified. Their channel is also verified there. You can see Viral TV. You can see Viral TV. So the channel is available. You can see. So I'll be showing you how you can create a channel all by yourself. So now this is what you're going to do. On business WhatsApp, it's not quite available now. You can see it's not quite available now. So what I actually do here is I use my other WhatsApp. You get me? I use my other WhatsApp. You can see this WhatsApp now. On my business WhatsApp, it's not working. You get me? So I guess you have to update your WhatsApp, but they have not done anything like updating on Play Store. You can see I check my WhatsApp, then there's something like update, and I check there's something like update. So I guess that will be a next update. So now if you come to your just go to your WhatsApp, your normal WhatsApp, and click on this plus sign here. You can see create channel. You can see it's a create channel. So click on create channel. Uh, you can see now continue and click on create channel. So you will type it here, type your channel here, put your logo and create your channel. So that's just it. And you're good to go. So you can only share link to people. You get me? You can only share link to people to join your group. So that's it. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. And let's go there. You can see this is my channel right now. I just create my channel and I will be dropping the link on the comment section so you can actually join my channel right now. You can see I just created the channel now. I'm having 18 followers already. So do have a blessed day, guys.